everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today we are grilling Cornish game hens on the Power XL Smokeless Grill. I hope you will give me a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe. Let's get started on today's video. Okay, so I've got two Cornish game hens right here. I've already cut out the backbone. What you want to do is just press it down to flatten it. Okay, so it'll lay flat on your grill. And then we're going to marinate it. Got a bowl right here. Just put your, which is a very simple. The grill that I'm using is a Power XL. I love the Power XL brand. As y'all know, my air fryer and my pressure cooker are both Power XL. I'm going to link it in my Amazon affiliate link down below. These are on sale right now. I'm telling you, it would make a great Christmas gift. So if you don't already have a smokeless grill in your house, this thing is the bomb. I just got it. I bought it with my very first YouTube check that I got. I'm loving it. You are going to be seeing a lot of videos, lives be done with this thing. So in essence, you guys bought this for me. So I really appreciate that. I told you every dime I make on YouTube is going back into my channel. Alright, so I'm just hitting it with some salt, some pepper. Alright. And a little bit of slap your mama, because y'all know I like it. And then I'm using some, this is extra virgin olive oil infused with garlic. And one last thing, and I didn't get it out, I'm going to grab it real quick. I'm going to hit it with some poultry seasoning. We're going to hit this with a little poultry seasoning. Alright, now you want to give this just a good mix. Make sure it gets all over both birds, inside and out. And if you live in the apartment, or you live where it gets cold, or none of those, you just don't have a grill, or do have a grill and you don't want to mess up your grill outside, these things are amazing. Alright, let me wash my hands one more time here. Now if you wanted to let this sit on here a few minutes, you can. I'm not going to. I'm going to throw it straight on. Now, I've got the temperature set at about 400 on here. Between 350, 400. If we need to adjust that, I can by just touching the button. Alright, we're going to go skin side down first on the grill. Close our lid. I'm going to cook these for about 30 minutes maybe. I'm going to probably turn them in 15, check them. We're always going to do a temperature check on them. They need to be, you know, I like to cook them about to 160 to make sure they're good and done. I don't want any raw chicken, so we'll see y'all back in about 15 minutes when we turn them. Okay. So it's been about 15 minutes. We're going to check these and turn them over. Smelling wonderful. Look at that beautiful caramelization on there. Isn't that gorgeous? Alright. Put the lid back down and we're going to cook them for another 15-20 minutes and we'll temperature check them. So we'll see you back here. Okay, we're going to temperature check our little chickens. I did go ahead and turn them one more time, so look how pretty they look. And they're just falling off the bone. Oh yeah, they're done. Definitely done. I'm gonna move this one's done. This little guy needs just a touch more. So I'm gonna bring him over and put him in the center a little bit. We'll go ahead and cut this guy up. Knife. Alright. Now, my family, because we can't eat a whole one by ourselves, we cut it in half. Just go down the center. Yeah, typically you would want to let it rest a minute, but we're hungry. Alright, just like that. There you go, my friends. Cornish game hens on an electric grill. We are going to look so forward to digging into this. Thank you for joining me today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Be sure and join me this Saturday for What's on the Plate with Mama Z, because we're going to be utilizing this, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. 9:30 Central Time. Thank you for joining me today. We'll see you on the next video.